Hey everybody, Chris here with a special Proto Tech Tip. And if you've been following along with our Tech Tip videos over the years, you know that we love ourselves a good Halloween themed video. So let's just dive in. So Halloween, if you don't know, is a big deal for us here at Protocase and Protospace MFG. It's become a tradition around here to celebrate spooky season every year with some kind of a special Halloween project. Now we love to utilize our internal engineering and design services team to come up with a cool design every year. Now back in 2015, we thought it'd be fun to machine a real pumpkin, which we've never been forgiven for the mess that was made. From there, we moved on to creating a custom sheet metal pumpkin with some strategic spot welding, and then a 3D printed pumpkin, to a fully milled pumpkin from aluminum bar stock. And then after that, we said the heck with tradition and machined a tiny skull using 3D scanning technology to recreate a dollar store decoration. Now last year, we decided to add some functionality to these cool designs, and we made a sheet metal coffin that had a mechanism for a skeleton to pop out of it. So that brings us to this year, and I think we nailed this one. We decided to make something that not only looked kind of scary, but actually could function as a real cool Halloween decoration too. Now we put out the challenge to our engineering and design services team and asked what they could come up with, and we settled on these three designs. We have the Grim Reaper, Pennywise the Clown, and this nicely dressed but oddly upset zombie. Now we basically created the design in SolidWorks, and the sheet metal parts themselves were cut, bent, and powder coated in our facility. They are made from 5052 aluminum with low gloss black powder coat. And the idea is to not only have these designs sit and be showcased with a base inside your house, the purpose is to use these to cast shadows of the shapes onto your house to create a dramatic effect. Let me show you what I mean. So for this year, we wanted to show that simple can also be significant in its own way. So if you've got an idea for what we should do next year, tell us in the comments or just send us an email. We love ideas. Just know that we cannot come to the team with any more ideas that involve real pumpkins and a CNC machine. So we'll see you back here next week for our usual Tech Tip programming. Happy Halloween.